Hey everyone! You've seen me creating mind-blowing AI images on this channel, but from now on, things are about to get even more exciting. I'm taking fun with AI to the next level. We're not just sticking to AI images anymore, we're diving into the world of AI-generated videos too. And we're going to do this with the help of one of the best and most budget-friendly AI tools out there, Vidu AI. Vidu is an incredible platform that lets you create stunning AI videos with just a few prompts or images. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start creating your own AI videos using this tool. So without any further ado, let's dive in and explore this amazing tool. Click the link in the description to get started, or simply search for Vidu AI and click on the very first link you see. Now, you can also use Vidu on your phone, but for this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating everything on my PC. First, head over to the website, click on Try Vidu, and sign up using your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see that Vidu offers several powerful features, including reference to video, image to video, text to video, and even an AI sound effect generator. Let's start by exploring the image to video feature. Click on it, and here you'll notice there are 4 different models to choose from. I recommend sticking with the latest model for the best results. Now, go ahead and upload your image. For this demo, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate an image. Once your image is ready, upload it here and type your prompt in the prompt box. The duration and resolution are already set to 5 seconds and 1080p, so we can leave those as they are. Next, we have movement amplitude. I'll just set that to auto for now. Then, select the number of videos you want to generate, click on Create, and let Vidu do its magic. Just look at that. The motion, the detail, the resolution. It's seriously amazing, right? And you can also download by clicking here. Now, let's explore the text-to-video feature. It's simple and quite similar to the image-to-video function. All you need to do is enter any prompt you like. It can be a short idea, a story, or even just a concept. Then, choose the visual style or theme you want for the video. The rest of the process works just like the image-to-video tool. Once everything is set, simply click Generate, and within a few seconds, your video will be ready. Looks great, doesn't it? Now, here's another exciting feature of this website, one that most platforms don't offer: reference to video. This feature allows you to generate videos with multi-reference consistency, meaning the output remains true to the style or content of your input references. As shown in this example video, you can clearly see how the feature works. Pretty cool, right? The only small drawback is that the video is generated in 720p resolution. However, despite that, it's still a powerful and impressive feature that's definitely worth trying out. Now, this platform offers another exciting feature beyond AI video generation: AI sound effects. With this tool, you can generate any kind of sound effect simply by writing a prompt. Just click on the timestamp to set the exact time frame for the sound effect. Enter the description of the sound you want to create, and then hit Create. And that's it. Your custom sound effect is ready. And that's not all. You can also generate the perfect background music for your videos. All you need to do is write a detailed prompt here, and boom, your custom BGM is ready. So now you've seen that from generating AI videos to creating sound effects, this platform provides everything you need to bring your videos to life. Now, I'd also like to show you a quick comparison between Vidu AI and other AI video generation platforms. As you can see here, this video was generated using Pixverse with the exact same prompt we used in Vidu AI. And this one was created using Kling AI. When you compare them side by side, it's clear that Vidu stands out, especially in terms of visual quality and motion consistency. Vidu's output looks more refined, smoother, and overall more professional. Even when compared with Sora, one of the most advanced platforms out there, Vidu holds its ground. And here's the best part. Vidu is significantly more affordable. So if you're looking for high-quality AI video generation without breaking the bank, Vidu is definitely a strong contender. Click the link in the description and start creating your own AI videos today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.